Hello students, today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 1.2 unit 1 integers for class 7. So here is question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. So question says that in a quiz, team A scored -40 in first round, 10 in second round and 0 in third round, and team B scored 10 in first round, 0 in second round and -40 in third round. So we have to find which team scored more. So for that we need to find total score for team A and total score for team B. So let's do. First we will write here team A scored, that is -40 plus 10 plus 0. So -40, 10 plus 0, it will be 10. Now we can see here -40, it is negative and this is positive. So when one is negative and one positive is there, we do subtraction and sign of the larger integer. So here if 10 is subtracted from 40, we will get 30, and because 40 is larger and its sign is negative, so we will put here minus sign. So team A scored -30. Same way team B scored, that is 10 plus 0 plus -40. So 10 plus 0, it is 10, plus minus minus. So if plus of minus is minus, 10 minus 40. So 10 is positive here, 40 is negative, so we do subtraction and sign of the larger integer. 40 is larger, so we will put here minus sign. So team B scored also -30. So question was that which team scored more. So here we can see that both teams, team A and team B, scored equal. So we will write here team A and team B scored equal. So this was answer of this question. Further it is asked, can we say that we can add integers in any order? So we can see here team A scored -40 in first round and team B scored -40 in second round. Team A scored 10 in second round, team B scored 10 in first round. Team A scored 0 in third round, team B scored 0 in second round. That means scores are same, but their order is different. But when we add it, total of their score is same. So it means we can say that we can add integers in any order. Yes, we can add integers in any order, as integers are commutative. Let's come to question number 4. Here it is given, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. So first part is given, -5 plus -8 equal to -8 plus dash. So to make this statement true, we are to think that which number can be written here. For that we will observe commutative property. So here this property says that if A plus B, then it is equal to B plus A. That means we can add integers in any order. So according to this property, if it is A and it is B, then here it will be B plus A. So here A is -5, so we will write here -5. Second part is minus 53 plus dash equal to minus 53. That means which integer can be added to minus 53, so that answer remains same, minus 53. For that we will observe zero additive property. Zero additive or additive identity property. According to this property, if we add 0 to a or a plus 0, it will remain a. So this is additive property. According to that, we will put here 0. That if we add 0 to any integer, it will remain same. Third part is 17 plus dash equal to 0. So which integer can be added to 17, so that answer will come 0. For that we will observe additive inverse. According to this, if we add any integer to its negative, then it will come 0. So here we will write additive inverse of 17, that is minus 17. So 17 plus additive inverse of 17, that is minus 17, will be 0. So this is third part. Fourth part is 13 plus minus 12 plus dash equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. So here we are given 3 integers, and for that we will observe associative property. According to this property, if we have 3 integers, then a plus b plus c will be equal to a plus b plus c. That means we can add integers in any order. So here if it is a and if we take it as b, then this will be c. And here this is a, this is b, and this is c. So a is 13, b is minus 12, and c is minus 7. So we will write here minus 7. Same way in fifth part, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. Here also we will use associative property. Here a is minus 4, b is 15, c is minus 3. So here in the right hand side, a plus b, that is minus 4 plus 15 is given. So here will come minus 3. So this was question number 4.